Ready? And hey everyone, Dustin and Ginny here from OPT, and we just want to say thank you for such an incredible year.
We have really enjoyed watching the community grow this year, and we've been so honored to be a part of that journey.
We understand there's been a lot of challenges this year, but with all of the exciting new things happening in astronomy, we're looking very much forward to the new year.
So from all of us here at OPT, we want to wish you a very safe and joyful
Happy Holidays and Happy New Year!
What's up everyone? Ian here from OP. The Triad Ultra Filter. Learn more. Swipe up. That was so seductive.
Michael test. Michael test. That's a test on Michael.
With its very small 120, 180, 1280.
This little guy is the ASI. This little guy is this little guy.
It fights light pollutants such as artificial lightings. That sounded stupid.
Here we have a Z. Here we have a C.
2.
That was the most delayed one ever.
This is the counterweight. This thing is freaking cool because what it does, it counters your weight. And the rod here is really, really cool for getting counterweights.
Give us a call. Give us a call. Give us a call or find us at opt.carb.
OPT is the most. OPT is where you can find answers to the most. OPT is where you can find answers. OPT is where you can find. OPT is where you can find.
However, add-ons like the color filters, said it again, filters.
I want like a natural smile at the end. Like a natural smirk. Just
Astrophotography, you shooting with multiple it's really fuck.
I personally started using this. Fuck me.
no, it's fine. His face is lit. We're good.
Bro, I'm lit. This is the Triad Ultra Filter. And this is actually the Triad Ultra Filter.
Inside is a built-in but removable. Inside is a built-in but removable matched. Inside is a built-in but removable matched flat. Why is that?
I don't know.
Say it.
Inside is a built-in but removable matched flattener.
All right. Well, just fuck me then.
Okay. 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 Okay.
And for even higher resolution. And for even higher
640 by 480. When shooting at a resolution of 640 by 320. At a resolution of 680 by 240. 640 by 480. When shooting at a maximum 640 by 480. A resolution of 680 by 440. When shooting at a resolution of 680.
And they're there now.
The Eagle 4.
It also has a guide port, so when you hook up, Viv imaging is really effective on
Seas and
And it be.
With a 1-inch square.
Really excited to talk to you today about the
harmonic drives of revolution.
OPT is where you can find.
This is a celestial.
Where you have an internet connection.
There. So if you haven't already, you can interact.
First thing you want to do is take the rings out of the bag and take the
Ooh, I can see myself.
Open your mouth more.
Yeah, I actually want that. Say it one more time. Keep your voice a little lower.
the pole master.
The pole master. And for all you urban city and suburban.
Now, I beg your pardon, what the f was that?
If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to leave us a like and give us the
We've left a link in the description below.
Visit our website at OP. Give us a call. Or you want to give us a call first, right?
If you have any questions, please feel free to So thanks for watching and have a great day. Have a great day.
I was gonna say, you want to say clear skies and
Yeah, I know. I was like, have a great day. Who says that?